How to insert new page in Word without pressing enter. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can insert new page in Word without pressing enter. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Word document. So if you have already opened it up, and if you would like to add a piece before the page that you want to, you have to move the cursor at the top of the piece like this. So after you have moved your cursor, navigate to this toolbar at the top of your interface. From there, go to insert. And once you're on the insert, if you navigate to this section that is top left section, there is an option called blank page. All you have to do is hover over there and click on it. So there you go, a blank page has been added in front or just before the page that you placed the cursor on. If you want to insert a page after this page right here, you have to take your cursor at the very end. After that, again click on blank page from the top left corner. And there you go, a blank page has been created at the end. And by default, if you have your cursor at the middle of the page and if you click on blank page, a new page will be added after the page. So this is the way to insert a new page without having to press enter in your keyboard. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.